Database and Database Management System. Introduction. Data. Data are raw fact that have no specific meaning. Information. Information is processed data that has purpose and meaning. The figure shows how information is generated from data. Data processing. Data is a collection of facts and figures, such as values or measurements. The data is the raw material to be processed by a computer. Data are manipulated to produce output. When this output can be used to help people make decisions, it is called information. Data processing is defined as series of actions or operations that convert data into useful information. Data processing also refers to the complete check of the data validity, accuracy, consistency, integrity, and its relevance to the client's requirements. The figure explains the stages of data processing cycle. Input. Input is the task where verified data is coded or converted into machine-readable form so that it can be processed through a computer. Processing. Processing is when the data is subjected to various means and methods of manipulation, the point where a computer program is being executed, and it contains the program code and its current activity. The activities of data processing are classifying, sorting, calculating, summarizing, comparing. Output. Output is presented to users in various report formats like printed report, audio, video, or on monitor. Storage. Storage is used to store information for future use and reporting. Database terminology. Column or field. Row or record. Table. Primary key. It is an unique and mandatory key in database table. Foreign key. A cross-reference between tables because it references the primary key of another table. Relationship. The relationship established through foreign keys, and it can be defined as one-to-one, one-to-one, one-to-many, 1M, many-to-one, M1, many-to-many, MM. Field, record, and table. Table. A set of data arranged in columns and rows. The column represent characteristics/properties of stored data and the row represent the actual data entries. Field. Fields are columns in a table with specific information about the data. In above table E_ID, E_name, and an E_salary are fields that provides the information about ID, name and salary of different employees. Record. Record is an individual entry that exists in a table. It is also known as row. Records give the complete information of a single entry or entity. In above table selected row gives the complete information of about the particular employee CITA. Collections of records and fields makes a table and a collection of tables makes a database. What is database? Database is an organized collection of structured data or information that is stored in such a way that it can be easily accessed, create, update, delete and managed. A database is usually controlled by a database management system, DBMS. In database, data are organized in row and columns in the form of table. Most database use structure query language, SQL, for writing and querying data. SQL, MySQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL are the example of database.